What an interesting question we have here. The question says, find the values of x given that the square root of x squared minus 9 all over the square root of x plus 3 is equal to 10. Well, our first step will be for us to apply a very good property that says that when I have, for example, the square root of a all over the square root of b, this can be written as the square root of a all over b. So we can apply this to what we have here. That means this expression can be written as the square root of x squared minus 9 all over x plus 3. And this is equal to 10. Very good. Now notice something, that we can simplify the numerator. So we have the square root of x squared minus 9 is a perfect square, which means it can be written as 3 squared all over x plus 3, and this is equal to 10. Very good. Now notice that on the numerator, we have an expression in difference of two squares. Difference of two squares has this identity. A squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now let's apply this property to what we have here. So the expression in the numerator now becomes, we have the square root of, this now becomes x minus 3 times x plus 3. Very good. All over the denominator, which is x plus 3. Now remember, this is covering both the denominator, and this is equal to 10. Good. Now watch something. X plus 3 cancels out, leaving behind x minus 3. So we have the square root of x minus 3 remaining on the left-hand side, and this is equal to 10. Good. Now we have to get rid of this square root, and we can do that by taking the square of both sides. So take the square of the left and take the square of the right. But be careful. Know that whenever we do something like this, we have to check our final answer. So this square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x minus 3 to be equal to 10 squared is 100. Now let's add 3 to both sides. So add 3 to the left, add 3 to the right. So this becomes x, negative 3 plus 3 is 0, and then 100 plus 3 is 103. So this is equal to 103. So this is the final answer for x. But the question is this answer correct? Let's check that out. So let's check. Now on checking, remember we can write this expression as the square root of x squared minus, this is a perfect square, which is 3 squared, all over the denominator, which is x plus 3. Now we're checking to see if we're going to be having 10 as a result. Now this expression on the numerator is the same as x minus 3 times x plus 3, right? All over the denominator, x plus 3. So this can cancel out, leaving behind the square root of x minus 3 on the left-hand side. So we're checking to see if we're going to be having 10 as a result. Now, when I plug in 103 here, so let me do that. So we have the square root of 103 minus 3. This gives the square root of 103 minus 3 is 100. And the square root of 100 is equal to 10, which is what we have on the right-hand side. So our value for x equal to 103 is actually correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.